We're going to explore what would happen if the moon suddenly vanished. 1. First, and most dramatically, our tides would become drastically weaker. The moon's gravity is the primary driver of ocean tides. Without it, we'd still have tides due to the sun's gravity, but they'd be much smaller and less noticeable. 2. Nighttime would be significantly darker. The moon reflects sunlight, providing a substantial amount of nighttime illumination. Its absence would leave nights much darker, potentially impacting nocturnal animals and even human sleep patterns. 3. Earth's axial tilt would become unstable. The moon's gravitational pull helps stabilize the Earth's axis, keeping our seasons relatively consistent. Without it, our axial tilt would likely fluctuate more wildly over time, leading to potentially extreme and unpredictable climate changes across millennia. This could mean more erratic seasons, with longer and harsher winters or summers in certain regions. 4. The length of our day would slowly change. The moon's gravity causes a slight frictional effect on Earth's rotation, slowing it down ever so slightly. Without the moon, this effect would cease, and Earth's rotation might speed up, gradually shortening the length of our day. 5. Migration patterns of animals that rely on moonlight for navigation would be disrupted. Many animals, particularly nocturnal creatures and seafaring ones, use the moon's light for navigation during migration. The lack of moonlight would seriously impact their ability to travel and find resources. 6. The Earth's ecosystem would fundamentally change in the long term, adapted to the drastically altered conditions. The changes in tides, day-night cycles, and climate would have far-reaching consequences for all living things, causing extinctions and the evolution of new species in response to the new environmental pressures. Some plants might struggle to survive without the moonlight, and animals reliant on the tides or the rhythm of day and night would need to adapt or perish. 7. Finally, the absence of the moon would be a significant event for humanity. The cultural, spiritual, and even artistic impacts of its disappearance would be profound, as it has been a major influence on human civilization throughout history. While some of these changes would be gradual and occur over vast timescales, others would be immediately noticeable, transforming the Earth in ways we can scarcely